Now I'll talk about some of the insights that we gathered, that how climate change and other challenges are impeding progress against malaria. The first problem that we noticed is the different profile of Plasmodium falciparum and Plasmodium vivax infections in the country. If you see the graph at the top, this in the high endemic seasons, both vivax and falciparum malaria increases. But in the low endemic season, in the months when Plasmodium falciparum malaria increases, those months may not be similar with the months of Plasmodium vivax transmission. The reason is simple. The impact of various seasonal factors on Plasmodium falciparum and Plasmodium vivax are different, and the lag periods are different. The second challenge that we noticed is definitely the larger seasonal disconnect with increasing reduction of malaria. As the country is progressing towards elimination, you can see here that P. vivax malaria, it has a complete different tangent compared to P. falciparum malaria, with increasing reduction of malaria cases. And this is also a globally recognized phenomenon where we have seen that countries approaching elimination, it becomes very difficult to contain Plasmodium vivax transmission. The third insight that we found from it is that there is a strong seasonality and seasonal peak, and even with reducing malaria cases, the peak remains constant. While the magnitude of the peak drops, the timing of the peak and the respective proportion increase of that peak remains similar. So essentially that leads to unbalanced transmission of malaria. So all these three problems, the different seasonality of falciparum and vivax, the different trajectories of falciparum and vivax as the country is moving towards elimination, and also the consistent peak of malaria even after its reduction following several different interventions. These are the three major concerns as we approach towards malaria elimination.